Recording. We all recording, boys. So lonely, so sad. No one is watching the stream, which means I am all alone. But you know, I understand. Unfazed is a real person. So that is me material right there. I'm going to record this once I'm I know I'm doing it. I'm doing it. You can't stop me. You can't stop me. You can't stop me. Oh, dear God. Like, injected saliva into my throat. This is a really, really weird feeling. And y'all, you guys are in my mouth. See, you can't hear me. Good thing you can swallow though. Yeah, you can. Though it stays there and it feels weird in your throat. And you can use the back of the tongue near your uvula as a shovel to just scoop it up, you know? Have you noticed that the pillars just stop when there's that one halfway thing, though it looks really odd? Let's go, boys. Oh, wait, I want to duck. Oh, never mind. Do it like a movie. Oh yeah. That's awesome. Better ain't forget that this recording is me material. Good God, I'm very thankful I have the reaction time necessary. Dear God, that was excruciatingly easy. Wait, it kills you that many hearts? Wow, okay, I didn't know Gordos were that dangerous. But yeah, that is absolute me material, and I am recording it. I am sending that right to YouTube, alright, mates?